Alright, so today we're going to take a look at a pretty popular app. It's really popular right now because of something called Bitcoin. This video is not going to be too much about what Bitcoin is, but I'll just kind of give a brief overview in case you don't know. So Bitcoin is basically an online currency. So if you want to buy something through the internet, or I guess even in the real world these days, some places will take what's called Bitcoin, and basically it's an electronic currency. So it has value. So if you have cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, then you usually need somewhere to store it, whether it's on like a hard drive or an online wallet. So that's what we're going to talk about today. There's a company called Coinbase, and this is their app. And basically with this app, you can buy and sell and store your cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. So let's have a look. So this is the app right here. It's pretty easy to download. You just kind of go to the App Store and then you just download this app. They have it in Google Play or the Apple. So once you click into it, this comes up to the home screen. So it's going to show you a little bit of information. Here you can see the little amount of cryptocurrency that I have. I bought some Ethereum. I don't know if I'm saying that right, Ethereum or Ethereum. If you know, be sure to leave a comment below. But I bought some of this probably about 3 or 4 months ago, and I'll talk about that later. So on the home screen here, you can see the current trading value of Bitcoin, which is one of the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum. So when you're here in the app, you can choose which one you think you're going to trade. So here's Litecoin right here. And then when you click on it, it gives a little bit more detailed information, kind of like a stock chart. So you can see historical prices for whatever cryptocurrency you're looking at. So with this one, it looks like Ethereum, it jumped all the way up to $1,300. Now it's trading at $474. So it's pretty volatile. And then Bitcoin is probably one of the most popular ones. As you can see here, in August, it was around $2,500, and then jumped all the way up to $20,000. And then now it's trading at $8,200. So there are some people who will buy and sell cryptocurrencies, kind of like they do the stock market. I don't do that. So I just put in $100, or I purchased $100 of Ethereum. And actually, you know what? I don't know if I bought Ethereum or Litecoin. Anyhow, I bought $100 a couple months ago, and now it's worth $38. Oh, I bought Litecoin. So yeah, if you click in your accounts here, depending on which ones you bought, so up here would be how much Bitcoin you have, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So I bought some Litecoin. I bought 0.43 Litecoin, which as of today's trading price, we're here towards the end of July 2018, 38 bucks. Click on that. And then as you can see right here, I used my debit card and I bought $100. I'm not sure what the other $5 is for. Maybe there's some sort of a transaction fee. So yeah. When I bought it, Litecoin was trading at $230 per Litecoin. Oh yeah, and here's the $4.03 fee completed. This is on February 16th, 2018. We're at the end of July. So during that time, I've lost about 65%. This is not a tutorial on how to trade Litecoin. You probably don't want to listen to me considering I have lost close to 61% of my Litecoin wallet. As you can see, when you click here, the prices fluctuate pretty often. So for me, I just kind of put it in there and that way I can see how the app works. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. There's no sense in taking it out because maybe it's going to go up, maybe not, but the $100 I do care about, but I don't care that much where I'm devastated if I completely lose it. So yeah, that's the account portion. Right here is the alerts. So this one I haven't used yet, but you can put in some sort of a price alert. That way if Bitcoin or any of the Ethereum or Litecoin, these ones up here, if it hits a certain price at a certain point, then the app would notify you. That way you know you need to buy or maybe sell one of these cryptocurrencies. So that's kind of a cool little feature. And then right down here is the invite tab. So they have a promotion. If you introduce a friend to Coinbase, you both get $10 free Bitcoin when your friends buy or sell at least $100 of digital currency. So my friend sent me the referral link and then I bought $100. So they should have gotten $10 and I get $10. But the promotion kind of changes from time to time, I'm sure, just like most of these apps. But if you're looking for a referral code, be sure to click the description below. Right here is the settings. So as you can see, I've linked my bank account and my credit card account, and you can link other credit card accounts. You can choose the currency translation for these cryptocurrencies. I'm in the US, so I just use US dollars. Put a passcode so that way when you open the app, it knows exactly it's you, not someone else. Now, as far as buying and selling, you do need to connect your bank account or your credit card to be able to buy these cryptocurrencies. So that's pretty obvious. Anytime you're going to be buying or selling anything, you're going to have to connect your bank account. If you're going to be buying and selling a lot of these cryptocurrencies, they do have a few verification processes, and I haven't actually cashed out this amount ever on this app, so I don't really know how to do that. I'm going to click on my wallet, Oh, yeah, and then you would just put in the sell order, and then you just put in sell max. So that's the max, and then I'm going to click preview. So as we were clicking, it looks like the price probably went down. Okay, let's do sell half. There. So if you're going to be selling, it tells you what the current price is, available to trade, withdrawal method to my Chase. They charge a fee to sell, Coinbase does. So this is the total amount that I would end up receiving if I sold half of the Litecoin that I currently have. So $19.33 is half. That's how much I'll get. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. That is the Coinbase app. If you're going to be doing some buying and selling of cryptocurrencies, you might want to check this out. Be sure to click the description below for more information, and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks again for watching.